Hello again. Now to continue my series on making a record player out of scrap and junk and just bits and bobs I've got lying around the house. I've already had one go at making a tone arm. The tone arm itself was not too bad, but the mount was really inadequate. So I'm going to have another go. This is my second and hopefully improved design. So there's the tone arm. Previously I just had a spring attaching it to the mount up here. It worked, but it was inadequate and the angle of the tone arm moved about far too much. So I found enough cut of wood just here. I'm going to use another little fan as the pivot. I don't think I'm even going to bother cutting this one down. I'm going to use a little bit of balsa wood, just glue that on there, cut it down and glue it on there. I'm going to use a pin, put it through a little bit of this, then straight through the plastic of the tone arm and into the balsa wood, basically so. I just quickly hold it up. This will go on here, this will go on here, this will go like this, and so it'll be able to turn around like so and also pivot up and down, but basically won't be able to twist, which is what the problem was. Okay, so I've built a bit of it up now. Here we are. I've just hot glued it together. So off cut of wood, couple of these fixing blocks hot glued at the bottom, couple at the top, that little fan and another piece of balsa wood just glued on there. So that will basically be the pivot for the tone arm, and then I'll make the tone arm pivot up and down on there. So I'll just sort that out now. Okay, I've now finished the tone arm mount. So you can see it in the picture there. It's here. So the tone arm can move back and forth, up and down, and yet it can't twist side to side. So the angle that it is against the record is pretty much constant. I've also made a few other improvements. If I just tilt the camera up slightly, you can see on the right there's a pair of mini speakers. They're sitting on top of my Heathkit multimeter, which I showed in a previous video. I'm also running the little amplifier off another bench supply, or in fact I'm running it off the same bench supply I was running the motor off, but now I'm running the motor off a different bench supply. I've cleaned the edge of the platter. It was a bit gummy, I think, from the original tape that was on there. And because I've changed power supplies over, I've now got a convenient on-off switch. So let's start her up. Right, well that was a little burst of Party Time. It's a record from the 50s which has a variety of songs, I think all as one continuous track. So, some improvements, still some more improvements to make, but looking pretty good. So I think the next thing will probably be to address the amplifier, because at the minute I'm using a little shop bought amplifier, but I'm sure I could throw something together using transistors or something. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, more to follow, and if you've enjoyed this video please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.